Hello, my name is Benjamin McMullen. I'm one of the academic advisors in the College of Engineering. And at this point, you should be at a space in Schedule Builder where you have your classes selected to be able to start looking through potential class schedules. One of the first things that you'll notice is that the courses are all lined up in the courses section, and they're going to be checked. Please make sure that all the courses you intend to look for a schedule are checked so that you can see options for any potential schedule. Down below on my screen, I'm going to uncheck all the current schedule courses because those are not going to apply to you. You will have nothing there instead of current schedule. So now what we're going to do is scroll down to the bottom and hit generate schedules. This is going to show us any and all potential options for any of the classes that you've selected. I have 497 class schedules to choose from. From here, that's quite a bit. You might have more and you might have less. So what we're going to do to narrow those search results down is hit the word view on any one of those potential schedules. From here, the top half is showing you a list view of the information of those particular classes, including the instructor, the days and locations, the sections, and the units. Units are comparable to credits. So if you're wondering how many credits a class is, that's where that is. The section is also going to tell you when and where that's going to be located. Down below, you'll notice that there is a class schedule in a calendar view of what your potential selection is. So at any given day of the week, where will you be? What building is it? Who the professor is and what class it is. So one of the nifty things that you can do with Schedule Builder is you can use your arrow keys right or left on your keyboard to sort through any of these potential schedules. You'll notice that they move depending on which one is moving. So 497 is still a lot to choose from. So what we're going to do is for any of the classes, you can hit the lock button on one of them and it'll update the search results of your current schedules. So we're going to hit the lock button on the physics course. Feel free to lock any of the other courses that you'd like to see change in. Now, what this does is it holds that specific class in place. So if you scroll down, you can see this by moving the arrow keys again, and that class will stay exactly where it is, while the other ones will move on their own. This really helps to narrow down how many course schedules you have to choose from. So just to move along, what we'll do is, let's say this is the schedule you want for your next semester. What we need to do then is scroll all the way to the top of the page. And from here, we're going to hit send to enrollment cart, and it's going to do just that. First, it's going to ask you if you're sure, so you're going to hit continue. And then from there, it has now officially tried to communicate with LionPath, and this is a useless tab. We can close out Schedule Builder entirely. Always remember that if you have multiple tabs of Schedule Builder open, it can cause issues with sending to an enrollment cart. So you only want one Schedule Builder tab open at a time. From here, at this page, we're going to go to enrollment, which is right underneath Open Schedule Builder. This is going to take us to your enrollment cart. From your enrollment cart, you're going to notice one specific change. There's going to be an import cart button at the top part of the page. You'll also notice that I have a class schedule down there. You will not have a class schedule until after you're enrolled in these courses. So we're going to click import cart. And from here, it's just going through the details of each class you were just looking at in Schedule Builder. So what we can do is continue to hit next for each of the classes. And it's just verifying that these are the ones you sent to your cart. Once you hit the last one, you're back into your enrollment cart, and all of your classes should be present with the location, the professor, the times, and the current status as a green circle, meaning open. If those are all there and all of those green circles are there, you can then have this ready to be reviewed by your advisor in your advising point. Thank you for watching.